This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, I am going to show you how you can set up a Linktree site, a site that you can link all of the programs that you are in, like I did mine. I get other people that get a lot of compliments on my Linktree page, and I get people asking me how did I do it. So that is what inspired this video. All right, now Linktree is free, but if you want it to look like this, then you're going to need to pay for the monthly membership, which is only like $6.99 a month. All right, so I think it's worth it if you have multiple things that you're promoting. Maybe you have a boutique, maybe you have other programs that you're in that you would like to have in one place for people to come to, that you're promoting on your Instagram or on Facebook or YouTube. All right, so this page right here, actually I just changed it to this screen, to this background, because my other background you couldn't really kind of see the writing here, so I needed something with a lighter background at the top, so I changed it. But with the paid version you can get a moving background like this, and you can do a lot more with the paid version. All right, so I'm gonna but if you can't do the paid, that's fine. You can just set it up basic if you want to. You know, there's still some things you can do, so I'm kind of gonna go over that. So when you sign up, you're going to be adding your links. Okay, you're going to add your links. What's good about this, you're able to see who clicked on what, how many clicks you're getting on it, so you can see if your marketing efforts are working. If nobody's clicking on your stuff, that means you're probably not marketing enough. All right, so that means you need to take that to the next level. So you would put all your put the title of what you're promoting, your link here, and then all your links of the programs you're in. Now with the paid version, I'm going to show you something that that you would be able to do, I think, with the paid version only, and that is, if you have a YouTube channel, you're able to promote it where people can see it right here from your latest video. Okay, it's kind of going, there it is there. People can see your latest video from your Linktree page. All right, so that's that. Let me close this out, and this is your girl, Crystal. So people can see your YouTube channel here. So let me just go and show you how you do that. So here where you would have your YouTube channel here, and then where it says video, that's where you would be able to put your options, like if you choose to display your video on your Linktree or I'll link off to YouTube. So you can have people click on it, and it displays the latest video on your channel. You can have it set up link off to this channel's latest video, or link off to your YouTube's website, and it can automatically do it. You can have it muted. You can do all of those things. So right now I have my latest video displaying on my channel's latest video. That way, if somebody clicking on my link from another video they saw, and maybe they didn't see my latest video, they would be able to see it here on my page. Okay, now that's a great thing that you can do with your channel for YouTubers out there that's promoting different programs. The other thing you want to do is the appearance. This is how you get the look. Okay, This is how you get the look, guys. Get the look, get the look. So that's one thing. I started off with the basic. You know, with the basic, you're gonna get to pick one of these background colors and put your links. And you know, actually some of these you may not even get some of these backgrounds. I think you only get like 4 with the freebie. Some of these you won't get, okay, with the free account. The custom backgrounds is where the life is. You're going to choose to get a background moving like this. You have to go to video. Alright, so if I click on video, it's going to show me all the different types of videos that you can pick. Alright, now if you're, depending on what industry you're in, you can type in, if you want something that's like mine, I put in resort, and resort brought up like different resort videos. Okay, so it brought up different ones. So this is the one I had before, and my black writing really didn't show it too well. Excuse me, guys. So there's different ones that you can choose from if you put in resort. Maybe you want to put in, let's see, money. Let's put in money. It just depends on what type of business you're in. You want to put some things in here to give you to see what comes up, what they have available back here. You're able to upload your own video as well. If you go, let me see. Let's see. I think it was something here where you can upload your own video. I think you would do that if you want your own image. You can upload your own image. Actually, it looks like you can only do your own image. I don't see where you can upload your own video. I don't see that. But I guess, you know, but you can upload your own image. If you want to see something like moving, then this is, you can click in some of these to choose something that you like. And again, depending on, you know, what kind of look you're looking for, you can just type it into the search. So that is how I got my background. You see that's moving there. And then this one here, it's like this movement, water moving. So yeah, so there's different things that you can go for. It just depends on what exactly you're looking for. Okay, so that's that. That's how you get the moving background like I have. And then your button colors, like your background, you pick a background color, what's in the background, you can choose that right there. The buttons, choose the type of buttons. I have this button right here where it shows a shadow, hard shadow. Then there's something where you can do a soft shadow. The soft shadow kind of looks like, it should change it. Soft shadow looks like that. You really can't tell it. If you want square, so you can play around to how you want things. And just let me just tell you this: your font color is going to be based on what your shadow color is. So if you don't have a shadow, say for instance you don't choose one with a shadow, then it's going to pick a color for you. Okay, depending on what your button color is. So you would change it whatever you want your button color to be. Alright, you can change your button color to be whatever you want. So I'm going to take this back to what I had it, to the way I had it. And that's what my buttons look like. So yeah, so that is how you do your button. And you change your button color, and then whatever your shadow color is what your font color is going to be. Okay, and then here is where you choose your fonts here. Alright, pick a font, and then hide the Linktree logo. You can put yes, you want to hide it, but you can only hide it if you have the paid version, just so you know. And that's it. That's how I got what got my Linktree link to look like this. Okay, you can add your logo. If you have a logo, you pick an image and you add it here. If you don't want a logo, you can remove it. You can put an image of yourself if you don't have a logo yet. So yeah, that is how you get a page to look like this. So that is it that I wanted to do. So then here, like if people want to see more videos, I can have them click on that, and it's probably going to bring up stuff I've looked at before, but you can always go here to play on there's different things. You can click play, but if you actually want to watch it on if somebody was to come here and first, before going to YouTube, they didn't find me on YouTube, they can click on that and it'll take them to your YouTube page. So if you were promoting this on Instagram and you had a YouTube channel, you can put it in here like this, and then if people want to watch this on YouTube, they can click here and also subscribe to your channel as well at the same time. So that, and then I can close that back up to where it will show the links. So this is all the links I have in my Linktree, and I have quite a few because I promote a lot of things, I share a lot of information. So that is what I wanted to share in this video. So if you're not ready to, like, if you don't want you want to have all your links on one page, then this is the great way to do that. And I like the analytics, where you can see, if you go to analytics, you can see where people are coming from, and as far as how they're finding you, which marketing effort is working best for you. As far as your promotion, I mostly promote on YouTube, just by doing YouTube videos. So most of my traffic is going to come from there, unless someone happens to go on. I don't really promote on Instagram that much, although I do have an Instagram page, and I have my link there. So if someone happens to find some of my old stuff and they come onto my page and click the link, they will be brought to it. So yeah, so this can kind of tell you, like, okay, I can step up my game a little bit more. Like right here, YouTube 62%. Direct referrals, meaning that I think I gave out my link to someone. 100K Club is a program that I'm in where it lets us put our Linktree link there, and Telegram. So most of my stuff is always going to come from YouTube. Okay, so that is it. That is all, guys. I hope that was helpful for those of you that is interested in finding a way to promote all your programs in one spot, as opposed to just piling it on a list. You can some people put it in their YouTube channel to where people can scroll down and look for it, but having a link tree with each of the programs in it is an easy way to do it. That way, when the program ends or you're not in it anymore, you can just take it out of your link tree and be done with it. So I hope that was helpful, guys. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the